Hi everyone. The ability to create templates, create a starting point, is the ability to standardize the work process. And we all know that standardization is the first step in quality control. In order to understand templates, we need to understand what a project is. A project file is where we take the template, copy it, and input information for a specific engagement. We can then customize that project file for that particular engagement. A template, on the other hand, is a starting point. This here is where we always start from. And the ability to create templates so that you always start from the same place is one of the most powerful features inside of our framework. So let's talk about easy ways to create templates. There are two ways to create a template. The first is to go to Analysis and go New and say Template. And what that will do is take our standard template that comes with the project, copy it forward into a new template, not a project file, but a new template. And then you can start editing that template for all of the standard things that you want to have happen. I want to customize the formatting of the sheets. I want to insert some custom sheets. I want to do different things with this particular starting point. Perhaps have different sets of financial statements. And you can create several different templates for those reasons. Another way to do this would be to do Analysis, Save As. And then when I say Save As Template, I have a project file here that's being created as a template. So I'm just going to type in my template. I'll press Save. Now the problem with doing it this way is that it has numbers inside of it. And so you don't want to copy forward previous engagement numbers into your other ones. So I'm going to have to go in and I'm going to have to zero out these numbers. And then I'll save the template. But the reason I like doing it this way here is because it's easier for me to think about thinking about customizations inside of the context of a project. So if I want a particular account, I can insert that account. If I want to have a particular style, I can create those styles and have something to work on. If all I'm working on are blank rows and blank cells, it's difficult for me to go from. But those are the two ways to create your template. So when I want to create a new project file, I go Analysis, New, choose a new analysis, and this will create a new project file. I will see the message box. I can choose my template or the standard template. Keep in mind the standard template is always available, and if you don't have a choice between two templates, it will default to that particular item. So you may not see this box unless you create your own template. When I press OK, it's going to ask me to create my project file. I press yes, and it will copy that template that I just created into a new project file, give it a new extension, and allow me to continue forward with the specific engagement. And that's how easy templates are.